Let's make some deviled eggs for St. Patrick's Day, and it all starts with a couple of eggs. Now just get these eggs boiling. We'll boil them for about 10 minutes until they're perfectly hard boiled in the center. And that just gives you plenty of time to do everything else. This comes together so quickly. So chop up your basil, your parsley, your lime, avocado, all these green things, add a bit of brightness, that green tinge to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I never really get into using dyes that much until there's an exception. It just doesn't really sit well with me. Of course, I'm adding in some heat. You can use serrano peppers. I'm using Thai for that extra kick. And I'm taking it a step further by using my own homemade mayonnaise. Check that out down below. And now that the eggs are done, you want to make sure that you cool them down instantly to stop that cooking process. So just drain it and then run them under cool water so that they completely cool down and you get that perfect inside that you're looking for. And you can of course do the same thing under a bowl of ice cold water instead. Now peel off these eggs. Give them a quick rinse and then slice it up and remove the yolks into a separate clean bowl. You can see they're perfectly hard boiled. Wiping your knife clean after every slice will help ensure that the whites stay white. And while I could pretend to take it off all one by one meticulously with a spoon, it's just so much more satisfying to invert the egg kind of inside out. And now the fun begins. Start adding the rest of your ingredients in here. We are going to be going kind of heavy on the avocado. Now in case you're wondering, you can always make boiled eggs in your Instant Pot as well. And if you're curious about that, then check out this entire guide to boiled eggs in the Instant Pot down below. Now just grab a whisk and start working your way to incorporate all this really well together. You can see that avocado was the right call to get some nice light green tinge in that egg. Now, whether you have a nice piping bag to pipe this all in here or a spoon to just simply scoop it in, now it's time for the party to start. And here we go. Just after a few minutes, we have an amazing platter of delicious deviled eggs with the green theme going. So I want to just say cheers, happy drinking, safe drinking, and I'll see you all on the next one.